Look at the top hinge first. It is most often the cause of a sagging door. Start by supporting the door with a prop or have a helper hold it while you inspect each hinge one at a time. Check for loose screws in the hinge leaves and in the frame. Use a properly sized screwdriver and tighten until snug, but do not strip the wood. If screws spin without gripping, remove them and replace with longer screws that reach the framing behind the jamb, which restores purchase and pulls the jamb and door into alignment. Visually inspect each hinge plate for bending, gaps, or separation from the jamb or door style, and feel for play by wiggling the door near each hinge location. Gently lift the door a few inches, while a helper watches hinge movement to see which hinge shifts or allows the gap to close. That directly identifies the problematic hinge. For finer alignment, use a straight edge or a level held along the face of the door and down the jamb to detect twist or rotational misalignment that a bent hinge plate can cause. 3 common mistakes cost time and create frustration. Only tightening the hinge screws without checking for stripped holes can make the problem recur. So, replace or back the screw into a longer screw into solid framing to fix it. Overlooking a bent hinge leaf or warped hinge plate leads to false adjustments, so remove the hinge and lay it on a flat surface or hold it against the jamb to see the bend and replace the hinge if it does not sit flush. Relying solely on shims or planing the door without addressing loose fasteners or damaged hardware often wastes effort, so address fastener integrity first and then make small material removals if needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for projects like hinge repair and door realignment, and we show profiles and listings so you can find people near you. We also help contractors find work and offer a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and post real-world advice about targeted repairs.